you have a question 16 cube minus 16 square. You have to find solution of this question. Firstly, you can take 16 square from both of them. You can take 16 square, then you have only 16 there, minus 16 square you have take common, then you have there only 1. Now you have question 16 square multiply 16 minus 1. You can write this in the form of 16 square common 16 minus 1 is equal to, you know that, 15. Now you have question 16 square, that means 16 into 16 into 15. Now you have to find multiplication of all these numbers. Now you can multiply 1 by 1. 16 into 16, you know, 256 into 15. Now multiply these two number. 15 into 6 is equal to 90, carry 9. 16 into 5, 15 into 5, 75, plus 9, 84, carry 8. 15 into 2, 30, 30 plus 8, 38. You have answer 3840. This is answer of this question. Now you have a second question. This is for your homework. I am giving you 17 cube minus 17 square. Find this answer in and comment your answer in comment section. Please give me answer in comment section. Thank you so much.